If your toilet's flush handle is acting up or totally broken, fixing it yourself can save you a ton of hassle and cash. Alright, so here's the deal with a broken or misaligned flush handle. First, check if the handle is loose. Sometimes it just needs a good tightening with a screwdriver. If it's still not working, the metal or plastic parts inside might be bent or broken, so you gotta realign or swap them out. When you're realigning, make sure the handle moves freely without any weird resistance. That's usually the problem. If the chain inside is too loose or too tight, adjust it so the flapper lifts just right when you push the handle. Don't try to force anything too hard because that can snap parts and make things worse. If the handle is old and rusty, replacing it with a new one from your local hardware store is usually simple and cheap. Always pick a handle that matches your toilet model to avoid compatibility headaches. And remember, a smooth flush handle not only keeps your toilet working but also saves water by making sure everything closes properly. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a broken flush handle is ignoring the problem and letting it get worse, which can lead to leaks or a constantly running toilet. Fixing it early saves water and money. Another common issue is using the wrong replacement parts. If the handle or chain doesn't fit your toilet model, you'll just end up frustrated and back at square one. Always check the model number or bring the old part to the store for comparison. Lastly, people often over-tighten screws or bend parts trying to fix it, which can strip threads or crack plastic components. Take your time and be gentle when adjusting or replacing parts. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with honest reviews and clear info. Plus, contractors get a solid platform to connect with new clients and grow their business without all the usual hassle.